Okay, so in this video, I'm going to break down a 7-figure funnel that I came across when doing some market research. And I think the funnel is pretty interesting, and it's the funnel for a company called LMA Method. And they have a really interesting offer in my eyes, which is speak a new language with confidence in 28 days, guaranteed. It's a very interesting promise and it's a very strong offer. And they have over 5,000 students, and I know that they have a high ticket program. So yeah, they have made a lot of money using their funnel here. So the funnel they are running is a very typical funnel, and a funnel I have made myself many times, and is working like a charm. And it's a VSL funnel. And the funnel looks like this. You have a traffic source that can be organic, it can be paid, it can be from YouTube and so on and so on. But they are specifically here using campaigns on Meta. And that will be Facebook and Instagram. And then they send people to a landing page. And this landing page is set up in a very specific way around a promise. And on this landing page, they want you to watch a free video. They want you to take the next step in the funnel. And to do that, you need to opt in. And in the opt in, they will ask for your email, your phone number, and your name. And then they send you to a VSL. And a VSL stands for Video Sales Letter, and is a very specific video made to break false belief and to sell you onto their solution, their vehicle. And then they want you to book a call. And since they want to book a call, that usually means that this is a high ticket program, because otherwise it doesn't really make sense to make a book a call if the program costs $100. Because I mean, if you want to have a salesperson to actually have the meetings, it needs to be more than $100. Otherwise, you will lose money using this funnel. So usually for a funnel like this, you want a product above $2,000, and usually it should be above the $3,000 mark. And then sales meeting, and yeah, once you buy, they will have the onboarding, and I know that they have several different program, or at least several program lengths. So let's have a look at the actual funnel here. And here you can see inside Meta. And these are the ads they are running. And as you can see, a lot of different variations. They are testing different angles. And this is, of course, very important. You need to A/B test a bunch of different variations. And yeah, you can see here they are talking about different pain points, outcomes, and so on. For example, here they are casting rock at your teacher. So it's not your fault, it's actually your teacher's fault that you're not able to speak a new language. And then they have the promise there to speak a language in just 28 days. Here they are talking about learning it 20 times faster than kids, which also is a good one, because a lot of people think that, or kids usually learn languages and pick them up faster. Yeah, and here they are 50 times faster than kids, so they are testing different variations. Here is 20 times, here is 50 times. And yeah, using different persons here specifically for Spanish. And then, as you can see, when you click this ad here, it will lead on to this page. And here you can see more of the copy here. You press the learn more. In just 28 days, 4,000 people learned to speak a new language. So they have a lot of social proof as well. And here is the promise that they have on this first landing page. And that is, give me 28 days and I will show you how to speak a new foreign language confidently and fluently for 10 minutes. So this is the ultimate promise that they have. So the people they want to help are usually beginners that want to learn to speak a new language for 10 minutes. And let's say you want to move abroad, or maybe someone in your family is from Spain or another country, then you have a really big reason to why you want to learn a new language. So this is worth a lot to you. Or maybe you want to move to a different country and you need to speak the language to get a job, to get integrated into the country, and so on. So this is a very strong offer for people that have a big reason to learn a new language. And they even have a guarantee here that you don't pay if you don't obtain this goal. And they have the social proof, they have the trust, they have over 4,000 people that achieved this in just 28 days using the LMA method. And the LMA method is their unique mechanism. And having a unique mechanism, which is something that makes you unique, is your method. No one else can market themselves and say that they will teach you the LMA method, because this is their unique mechanism. This is their trademark per se. So this is also very, very important to have your unique method that no one else can provide. It's just you. So if you sell them onto your unique mechanism and no one else can sell them into this, and the prospect or the people watching, they believe in the LMA method, you are the only choice because no one else can offer this. And here they want you to click learn more. And to learn more, you will need to opt in. This is the gatekeeper here. And here you need to enter your name, your email, and your phone. This is genius because now they're getting you as a lead, meaning that if you don't go further into the funnel after opting in here and watching this video, then they can actually target you, send you SMS, emails, and so on to get you onto the next stage. And this is very important here, is that you always in a funnel like this, you increase the friction the further you get along. But as long as you get them as a lead early on when the friction is lower, then you can always try to get them further into the funnel. So this is the genius way about setting the funnel up like this, because in theory you could have the landing page, send them straight to the sales meeting, but again, they don't have enough information, they don't trust you enough. And so having the funnel like this is very, very good. So here they have a 15-minute video sales letter built around the promise of after just 28 days, you will be able to confidently speak in a foreign language for 10 minutes. And in this video, there are two really important false beliefs to break. And that is number one, that the vehicle is the right one. That the LMA method is the method that will actually get you to the outcome of speaking a new language for 10 minutes. That is the first objection, or the first false belief you need to break. Then the second false belief is that once they understand that, okay, the LMA method is the correct path for me to learn to speak 10 minutes a day, then you also need to break the false belief and make them believe that they can do it. And this is usually done through social proof, showing other people in your situation that have actually learned to speak a new language. And those are the two main objections. And then, other than that, it's very, very important to center this video around making them book a call. And as you can see here, they have the CTA of schedule your free language breakthrough session. And they try to make it so obvious and so no-brainer as possible that going further into the funnel is free. You can book in a strategy session. You can get a lot of value here. And they even have some testimonials and case studies here, which is also really good to have. And yeah, a bunch. They have a lot of CTAs, which is also really great. And so after people have watched this video, they will send you to a survey, a form here. And something that I really like is having an application here before the call. It also shows that the person going through the funnel, he actually needs to prove that he is the right candidate as well. It's not for everyone. And LMA, they want to learn more about you so that they know that they can actually help you. And the first question is, what is the language you want to speak? Then they want to know if you want to get exceptional result fast. You have to be open to learning through our unique methodology. Are you prepared to follow our instructions? So you make the prospect qualify themselves. And here they ask about commitment, which is also important, obviously, and that they are willing to invest here. This is a financial disqualifier question here, because if they're not willing to invest, there's no reason to send them to book a call, because then the call would just be, wasted time, basically. And in the end, they ask you to provide the details here, and also that you will stay 100% committed to the time that you book in. And then they send you to the booking page here. And as you can see, they have a very short call. So this call is not really a big sales call. This call is most likely a call to just get some more information to understand if they can help you or not. And then they book in a follow-up call where they actually want to go into the pitch and sell you. And with a strong offer like they have, and with the guarantee, as you can see, that you don't pay if you don't obtain the promise, it's also a lot easier to sell. And having a great offer is the best way to sell more. That will beat any salesperson and so on having a great offer. Then they have some follow-ups and confirmations there to make you book a call. And also, I really like this approach, having an SMS that you even need to reply. Because right now in 2026, a big issue for a lot of people is show-up rate. There's a big reduction in show-up rate, which sucks because you have a salesperson or yourself being prepared for a meeting and then people don't show up. So you want to increase the show-up rate. And this is one way to do it: email and SMS confirmation, and also talking with the person before the meeting. And another very, very important thing to have now is a thank you page after you're booked. And here you should have a video, just like LMA have here, where you watch a short video. He tells you to actually accept the meeting, go to the meeting. He shows some case studies, and basically do whatever he can to make you attend the call and also be a bit prepared. So you know a little bit about LMA before the session, which makes it easier to sell you into their solution. And here they also have more case studies, which is always important and always good to have. And after this, it is the sales call. And that's basically the end of this funnel. So I hope you learned something from LMA here. They have a really good funnel in my eyes. It's the same flow that I use for a lot of the funnels that I make, depending a bit on the offer and the product that we are selling. But this is a really good funnel, and they have implemented it really well with a strong promise, a strong offer, which is key to making this funnel work. So I will see you in the next video.